So hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to add a 3D object in your web page. So here I am going to use 3JS. So let's see how to do this. So let's first create a folder, name it 3D model. Okay, now open your Visual Studio Code and just make an index file, index.html, and JavaScript file, so script.js, and a style sheet, so style.css. Now let's link it up. So it's a boilerplate of uh, HTML, or you can say default template. And here I'm going to add the script, this script.js. So script uh, type is equal to text slash uh, JavaScript, and source to be script.js. So it's linked, as you can see. And now let's link this style.css. So link deleted style sheet and reference to style.css, and it's linked as well, as you can see. Now let's make a canvas. So canvas is a HTML tag in which you can make uh, graphic designs, or you can add some background or 3D uh, 3D images, you can say, or objects. So let's see that. So canvas, let's give it a class of WebGL. Now let's save it. Now here we are going to use the 3JS library. So we can search for 3JS and CDN. So here we will find a CDN link. Just click on the first link and copy this URL and paste it before the script tag. So script source, and here the link. Just close the tag and let's check if our 3 JS library has added. So for that, let's console.log and 3 in capital letter. So now let's start our server. I have to use a small npm start. Oh, npm has not installed in this folder. So what I can do is just go on live server, and here we are. And when I will go to console log, and you can see it's showing object, which is our 3 JS classes, and that's all. Now close the terminal and let's make const so canvas is equal to document dot query selector and our canvas class name, so it's WebGL. Now let's add scene. So new 3.scene, it's a class of 3JS, and now we can create cameras and models. So let's start with a model. So here I'm going to create a box. So new 3 dot uh, box geometry, and here that box will be of height 1, width, and so on. So now uh, we have to use a material as well. So const material equal to new 3 dot uh, mesh basic material, and there we can add a color. So color is equal to 0xFF0000, which stands for red, and then we can add it in a mesh. So const mesh is equal to new 3 dot mesh, and let's edit box and material. Now let's add mesh to the scene. So const, no const, it's scene dot add, and we have added mesh. Now let's time for camera. So const camera is equal to new 3 dot, we are going to use a perspective camera here. So perspective camera. Now we can add it to the scene, but before that we have to uh, define angle of view, which is 75, and aspect ratio, that is sizes dot uh, width slash sizes dot height. Now we have to define sizes here. So what is size? So count sizes is equal to uh, width has to be 700 and height has to be 600. Now let's add it. Scene dot add camera. Uh, now we have to make a renderer to render the scene and camera. So const render is equal to new 3 dot web gl render, and inside it we are going to render canvas. Now render dot set size, the sizes dot width and sizes dot height. Now render dot render, so we are going to render our scene and camera. Now let's save it and let's see. So it's showing us a blank uh, canvas, which is good, and our camera is right inside that box we have created. So we have to take our camera out of that box. So for that uh, inside camera we have to zoom it out. So camera dot position dot z is equal to 3. As you can see, our camera has just zoomed out, and we can see our cube here, and it's a cube, not just a square. uh, let's uh, first of all let's make it wireframe to be true, wireframe true, as you can see, and we can add more triangles in it by 1. It's default by 1, so we can give it like 4, 4 and 4. So as you can see, it's looking kind of 3D, and we can animate it as well. So for that we are going to use function animate and we are going to animate the mesh. So mesh dot rotation dot z is equal to plus is equal to 0.01, and let's call it. So it's nothing happening because we have to request our animation to be go on forever. So window dot request animation frame, and our function name animate, and here, and also we have to render this scene again and again in this. So as you can see, it's rotating just like in circle, but we can rotate in Y position as well. As you can see, it's now looking 3D. So that's how you make a 3D model in your web page using 3JS library. Hope you will find this video helpful. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.